In this video, I'm going to show you how to put YouTube video on repeat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, all you have to do is add that video to its own playlist, and in able to do that, just hit there on save icon right underneath the video title. And now this video was saved to recent playlist. You have to hit on change and there hit on new playlist, and there just enter name of that playlist. You can just type in test and hit on create, and now you can hit on library and there open up that test playlist that you just created, and there just hit on the video to play it. And now there is two different options. First is a loop video, the second is shuffle videos. You just hit there on loop icon. Now the loop function is active and now that video will play on repeat. That's how it works, guys. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.